What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're looking at people who cannot drive, specifically the UK people, because I am in the UK, I live here, so why not, and I'd understand it more. But before we do, make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment and share it so I can get famous, please. Now let's get right into the video. Break! Wow. That was crazy. Learn to brake, people. Learn to brake.
The virus would run out of people to infect.
Oh god. People don't look. Oh god, don't pull out. Aye. Learn to drive, you idiots.
Right, so that the arrow flies straight and true towards its target. But when he tries to imitate the instructor, he takes up the goofiest pose I think I'd ever seen. Body turn.
That was crazy. Oh my god. Gotta be careful of deer running across the roads. Either he stalled or that's the stop-start system. Okay, switching lanes. Okay. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Brake! Overtaking and what's it? Double overtaking. Yeah. Okay. Wrong lane. Use your lanes properly. Mirrors! Use your mirrors! Okay, going in. Mirrors again! Not even your mirrors, just look in your window! I wouldn't be surprised if this was like London drivers, but I don't think it is. Whoa! Whoa, man, come on. Things people will do. He's doing a U-turn. Really? And then the car comes in the next lane. What an idiot. If he doesn't get a ticket for that for being in the other box, I don't know what is going on. Joining a motorway slip road, too close and no indicating. Real genius there. Okay, you can't see much here. Oh my god, overtaking, oh my god. I swear, biggest people will do. Bloody crazy. Okay, bin lorry, pulls up. And starts reversing, what the hell? Beeping at the bin lorry. Aye, so close. Oh my god. Aye! Look! Before you cross! Not that hard! Mini roundabout. Brake! Dude!
Man? One of the funniest people. I love playing and I love watching.
What's gonna pull out? Yep, pull out. Told you. I told you. Someone's gonna pull out. Yeah, I agree. Don't do it, Fiesta. Fiesta's doing it. Bloody hell. switch. Not only would he go through lanes wrong, he went through a red light. What the hell's wrong with you? Whoa, whoa! Ran a red light, why not? Okay, stopped there. Okay. Speeding up. Oh, here comes the Honda. Honda doesn't look like it's gonna brake. It's gonna brake. It's gonna. Oh, okay. Wait, what happened? Real genius. Honda doesn't know for being old people, so that's an old person I will not be surprised one bit. So even the work's like, what the hell are you doing? Again, mirrors. Okay, joining onto a slip road. What's gonna happen? Oh yeah, idiot driver. Braking because no one will let him through. And he brakes completely, oh my god. But even the guy in the first lane, this little red car's like, what the hell are you doing? Brake, bro! Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, I cannot. Okay. Stop. And no stopping. Of course.
Don't brake. For sake. Do you need a written invitation? Oh my god, please just join the motorway.
What the hell are you doing?
Join the motorway.
Join!
Oh my god.
Idiot, I swear.
I mean, what happened there?
What's gonna come out? Or is no one gonna stop? Yeah, oh, hey, be careful when you open your door. Yeah, definitely. Overtaking the, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Stop! Ah! Ah! Anne doesn't give a crap. Uh-oh. Stop! Ah! What the hell? Okay. You had so many moments to pull out and now this taxi goes and pulls out. Really? Aye, stop it! Aye. Well, go. Today would be nice. Aye, van. Listen, white van drivers cannot drive at all. Okay, he's turning. Oh my god, that was close. Stop! Vauxhall! Oh my god, he mounted the curb. Mounted the curb of the roundabout. Okay, you've got a big bus. Aye, Kia, what are you doing? Get in your lane! Get in your lane! Oh! What the? Why are you still in the? What are you doing? The bus is there. What are you doing? The bus is right there. Why are you indicating? Still, you merging into the other lane. What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and my crazy reactions. I've seen a few of these videos, I haven't seen this one, so that was crazy. Again, make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment, and please share it, please. Hopefully you don't drive as bad as these people. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace.